Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video what we are going to look into is we have different methods which are available in the list. So in this particular video we are going to look into the methods which are called deleting a list and deleting a specific item from the list and clearing the complete list. So let's say we have created the list. Let's create. Now let's try to print this. If you print, so these are the values which we have. So let's say we wanted to delete the item 3 from the list. So as in list index starts from 0, we can just mention x of 2 means, so this is the syntax, del space whatever the list name you have, and you have to specify the index of that particular item whatever you wanted to delete. So if you perform this and if you try to print now, you can see that element 3 got deleted, which is at index 2. Let's say instead of this you want to delete the complete list. So in that case you can, you no need to, you can just skip the index part. If you just give del space our item, our list name, and if you try to print, it will throw an error because it has deleted the complete list. So this is how we can use the delete in our list. And we have another option. Let's create the list once again. So we have created, let's print the list. So now we have created the list and print. So now what we'll do is we have another option called clear. If you do clear, so what it will do, it won't delete the list, it will just clear the items whatever is are present inside our particular list. So this is how we can use clear and delete. So this is all guys. If you have any queries, just comment below so that I can answer those questions accordingly. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet in the next video.